You need temperature, humidity, and dew point data, and most sensors are bulky, complex, or force you into proprietary software. But this module solves all of those problems. This is the DL-10, a compact single-unit solution built specifically for Modbus RTU that delivers all three environmental measurements. It's the simplest way to add reliable monitoring to any industrial or data center network. The DL-10 is a remote environmental module designed for continuous monitoring. It measures temperature, relative humidity, and dew point all from a single compact unit. This way you avoid installing multiple sensors or combining modules. There's no display, no buttons, and no unnecessary features. The DL-10 is designed to sit quietly in the field and deliver continuous data 24/7. So because of that, the value proposition is clear. With the DL-10, you get early detection and real-time visibility, so issues like temperature drift or rising dew point are logged and acted on before they become critical. And just to jump in here real quick, we actually have a discount code that is on screen right now, giving you 25% off of the DL-10 from our website. The link to our website and the discount code will also be in the description below. Sorry for interrupting. And from a technical standpoint, the DL-10 covers a wide operating range. It measures temperature from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius, humidity from 10 to 95% relative humidity, and dew point is calculated internally using onboard sensing. Accuracy is ±4 degrees Celsius for temperature and ±3% relative humidity. Communication is all handled through RS-485 using Modbus RTU with baud rates up to 115,200, allowing it to scale easily across multi-device networks. And the power is simple. It only needs 10 to 30 volts DC with ultra-low power consumption at just 0.05 watts, which is ideal for distributed sensing. And a key advantage is the tiny form factor. The DL-10 takes up very little space, making it easy to install inside control panels, at rack level, or in tight enclosures where larger devices won't fit. Mounting is flexible with support for magnetic or wall installation. And because it uses standard Modbus RTU, the DL-10 integrates seamlessly with your existing PLCs, data loggers, Modbus gateways, WISE controllers, and SCADA platforms. The DL-10 is used in applications like data centers monitoring environmental stability near racks and cooling paths, warehouses preventing moisture buildup and protecting stored goods, pharma or food facilities supporting continuous environmental compliance requirements, or even archives protecting sensitive materials from environmental damage. As you can see, in real-world systems, the DL-10 functions as the critical field-level sensor, feeding data through RS-485 networks and Modbus gateways to centralized software for logging and automation. So if you need a compact, low-power, Modbus-ready sensor that measures temperature, humidity, and dew point in one device, the DL-10 is a proven option. So if you're interested in learning more about how the DL-10 can be integrated into your facility, you can send us an email at sales@icp-usa.com. You can head to the link in the description, which takes you straight to the DL-10 product page, or you can head over to our website at icp-usa.com. And just as a quick reminder, we do have that 25% off discount code in the description below. So if you are interested in the DL-10, make sure you head to our website and put in that discount code so you can get your 25% off. We put out new videos every single week with practical breakdowns on industrial monitoring and system design. So if you'd like to see more, make sure you subscribe.